Oke, halo guys. Balik lagi dengan gue Nick di
Never
sini.
wanted the easy
Kita
path.
akan lanjutin ke episode 6 Unrun Baldur's Gate 3. Oke. Terakhir kita udah kemarin lawan 4 enemies ya di Underdogs. Besok kita long rest. Sebenarnya ini kita udah bisa bantai Goblin Camp sih kayaknya rencananya abis ini, sama kita akan pergi ke Underdark yang naik kapal nanti ke Jim Forge gitu. Nah ini kemarin ekspektasinya adalah si Alviranya itu udah muncul, yang gantiin Alvira. Karena kita main Dark Urge di sini. Nah ada tulisannya nggak sih? Ya gitulah ya. Pokoknya karakter gue ini Dark Urge, jadi untuk dapetin, walaupun sebenarnya gue nggak main sorcerer, cuma sayang aja itemnya sama rewardnya kalau nggak diambil. Jadi gue mau coba nyamatin Alvira at least sampai Act 2 gitu. Caranya adalah nge-knock dia. Nah kemarin ekspektasinya pas long rest itu dia udah masuk nih yang gantiin Alvira, ternyata belum. Jadi kita mungkin spam long rest dulu sampai Alvira yang gantiin Alvira itu datang. Nanti ada kayak Dragon Born atau semacamnya gitu deh. Oke, gitu sih. Jadi agendanya kita di episode kali ini adalah ngebantai Goblin Camp. Nanti kalau keburu kita akan ke Underdark lagi untuk menuju ke Jim Force gitu, guys. Oke. Nah, di sini kemarin juga sama, ini ada follow. Kita bisa operasi mata.
Good fellow. Quite the cozy setup you have here. I'll just make myself comfortable. Thank you so much.
Has your research turned up anything that might help with this parasite problem? Kita disuruh tidur ya, tiduran dulu. Oke.
My research turned up a rather brilliant technique that seems quite actionable. It's not too deep, just behind the orbital socket. I could attempt an extraction. I've a needle in my tunic after all.
Ini yang ada shock nih, jangan ditonton ya. Bisa di skip aja nanti. Kalau ada yang takut-takut dengan gini.
I assure you, I've dreamt of it 1,000 times over.
I've dream. Jadi dia udah mimpi nih, dia udah ngoperasi beberapa kali. Oke.
Volo carefully holds one of your
Jangan
eyes
tonton ya,
open
guys. Ini
and
agak-
begins to prod uncertainly with the needle. The needle finds the gap between eyeball and socket. Volo frowns.
Dia ceritanya dia mau
and
nyolok
begins to
parasite
push.
yang ada di dalam otak kita gitu, lewat mata. Nah, jadi kita tahan.
Pain shoots through your body as the needle snags on your optic nerve.
Anjir.
I think I have it.
The needle seesaws back and
Gila, gue
forth,
geli banget.
plucking the nerve
Biasa gue
like
skip
a
sih demi
heartstring.
kalian.
Oh, bother. There's some obstacle in the way. I shall need a more robust implement.
Volo carefully withdraws the needle from your eye. Then, reaching into his bag,
Oh god.
he produces an ice pick. Volo slowly brings the ice pick closer to your eye.
Now, don't
Cold metal presses against the skin beneath
Dapat
your
di-stop
brow.
belum ya?
And then, tap, tap, stab.
Oh
you
ya
feel
ampun.
that? Ha! I think we have the blighter on the run. I agree. It's a feisty critter. I agree. It's a feisty critter. Just a little further.
Dicabut mata kita.
He pauses, looks down at your eye, and recoils slightly as it sinks into the mud.
There appears to be an amount of cosmetic damage.
You knocked my bloody eye out.
Please, try not to overexert yourself. You're in a rather fragile state at present. I can't help but feel partly responsible. Perhaps there is something more I can do.
Nah, ini kenapa kita membiarkan dia mengambil satu mata kita?
Take this. A far superior relic to that old jelly you were chained to. Try it on for size. And, it was very nice to have met you. I'm sure you'll sort out your little brain problem one way or another. Terribly sorry, my friend. Ta.
Dia kabur ya. Dan dia hilang. Nah, tapi kita dapat buff lagi nih, see invisibility. Can see invisible creatures within 9 meter. Creatures must succeed a dexterity saving throw or lose their invisibility gitu. Ini akan ngebantu kita nanti pas kita mau ke Gym Force karena Duergar itu bisa invis gitu. Nah, mungkin ini kita coba sebelum prep buat adventure, kita tadi mau knock si Alvira dulu ya. Kita mau spam long rest dulu sampai dia datang biar kita bisa ya enak lah kalau mau ke Goblin Camp. Aduh, ini masih ada lagi di sini. Yo mas bro, sini mas bro. Ini sebenarnya menyebalkan sih.
Oh, enough waiting. I crave blood.
Taban weapon dulu. Ya, mungkin selagi bisa.
will ever believe this.
Need anything else?
Kita cari duit dulu kali ya. Kayak biasa ya. Dia nggak jual. Enggak nih, dia nggak jual ini. Gue nyari potion of heal giant strength. Nggak ada dia. Thank you. Masih di sini ya dia. Ngeselin banget.
Need anything else?
If not over, then through.
Pasifnya nyalain dulu biar dia nggak tewas.
Moving in.
Need anything else?
All right. Time to skulk about.
Resek banget ya.
Out of sight, out of mind. Don't waste a step. If everyone else minds their business, I'll be fine. Best get.
Oke. Pasif udah nyala, siap-siap kenok ya. Ini nanti datang masalahnya, ngeselin banget.
Hello, you. Let's not get caught off guard. Don't mind if I do. Fall by my hand.
You were witnessed assaulting someone. You're headed for the cells. You murdered someone in view of a guard. Perhaps unsurprisingly, you're under arrest.
Kill apaan? Kenok gak sih?
All right, what now? Breathe deep.
Di sini kita ajak ngobrol aja.
Let's move.
Coba deh kita persuade. Apaan? Do you see blood on these hands? I'm an innocent witness. I think we failed. Bisa dong, nah.
You're free to go.
Nah, gitu dong. Good. Terus kita coba long rest lagi kali ya. Aduh, ribet nih. Situnya nggak datang. Ini kah? Oh iya, ini kayaknya. Nah, ini
Hark!
Quill Groot Slang.
Hark! A
Ini yang gantiin Alvira. Kalau nggak lu kenop, kalau nggak kalian kenop, Alvira yang datang.
Well met. Goblins roughed me up and stole my hose when they heard me singing hatchling love. You
Sayang
wouldn't
banget sih
have half
kalau
a
bisa
bedroll for a
kita
lost
nggak ada
minstrel.
part di party
you?
sampai akhir game.
I can pay for my board with music.
NPC apa?
If you
Bukan
care
NPC,
for
playable karakter tapi yang Bard bener-bener kelasnya asli Bard gitu nggak ada.
I know. It's not the first time.
Ironi
I've been
sekali ya.
robbed. I am only glad I didn't get hurt.
Dengan sangat berat hati, Quill Groot Slang.
I'll just stay one night. Promise.
This is the last
Then
night
I'll
you
be
will
gone.
stay with us.
I know I'm ice blood.
I'm pretty
but
sure, and with
I get
anybody
cold
else.
So fast.
Hello.
I need to be by the fire.
Okay, it's okay.
Swift as my feet can carry me.
Nah ini nggak perlu pakai supplies ya, karena kita nggak ngapa-ngapain. Sekadar mau nge-spam.
You open your eyes with a
Cukup sekali
lurch,
ternyata.
and you are not in your bed. You
Ya kan?
stand above a body which is in a state of gore nearly beyond recognition. The body of that scared girl who asked for nothing more than a night of shelter. Her blood covers you, and its warmth feels like the embrace of an old friend. You recall nothing of how you ended up here, but your head pounds and aches. No matter how it appears, the body is there, and her blood is on your hands. The question flows through your mind. Who are you really, that you could be guilty of such bitter business? Another explanation will arise. You should face the problem at hand. You don't have much time for reflection now. You need to act. You may only have a few moments before the others awaken and begin to cast blame for the hot sin before you.
Bisa nggak ya? Kayaknya cuci tangan aja deh.
You scrub yourself until your hands are cold and raw. While your body starts to feel clean, the blood doesn't seem to leave. After a few moments more of scrubbing, your hands begin to sting. But her
Ow.
blood is still on your hands, surely. You shake your head, and it seems to go away. Only then. If you are fortunate, no soul will be able to know you were behind this murder.
Kita
You
pura-pura
wonder if your
nggak tahu
misdeed
aja.
will be noticed.
Kincha, this is some sloppy work. You talk.
Kayaknya ada beruang nih kemarin malam ya. Iya nih ada beruang. Dibunuh
It
ini.
is dangerous wandering around at night. You could bump into anything.
Your guilt is safe. For now. As the Inquisition departs, you are left alone with a familiar headache.
Kita berjanji tidak akan ngebunuh orang tidak berdosa
the
lagi.
saccharine thought. You feel close to fainting again.
Oke, nice. Nah, karena bisa loot ternyata, nggak ada apa-apa. Karena dia udah datang, jadi kita udah nggak perlu nge-knock Alvira lagi dan kita udah kayak ya udah kalau mau nge-run Goblin Camp silahkan gitu. Oke, nah ini
Let's
kita
get on with it.
buff prep dulu kali ya. Seperti biasa.
I wonder what the next move is. This way.
Shadowheart, please help us all. Speak with anyone. Strider. Oke, harus sudah aman ya.
I have such a headache.
Like it's well be done.
Bawa
Still
dulu.
breathing, despite everything.
So cold because you like to scratch behind the
Ada yang mau ngomong nggak di map? Kayaknya nggak ada ya. Duit kita. Mungkin kayaknya item-item yang gak guna ini better gue jual deh. Ini berat-beratin si Leslie. Iya. Mana si bro?
Walk in death.
stars tonight.
Need anything else?
Bro, nih bro. Barang gue banyak, nggak kepake. Bikin berat doang. Bawa aja nih. Tadi malah ke ini semua sih. Kayak uang dia juga nggak cukup deh ini. Harusnya udah. Nggak cukup deh. Nah, ini boleh deh. Apalagi coba? Udah gini aja lah. Sisanya ya lo ambil lah, boleh nih. Okay, thank you. Oke, nah udah bersih. Oke, let's go. Kita ke mana ini enaknya? Goblin Camp kali ya. Kita akan ngebantai Goblin Camp. Ini udah gue tipu-tipu kan dia. Harusnya sih udah.
I got stuff. If you
Let's see, duit doang, sisanya nggak ada sih. Harusnya udah, nggak perlu lah. Oke, misi biar masih di sini. Oke, yang akan kita lakukan adalah supaya kita bisa dapet si siapa namanya? Ini kita bisa nyamatin Halsin dulu atau kayaknya nyamatin hasil dulu deh yang lebih gampang. Misi salah jalan. Di sini tuh ada si siapa namanya? Gue lupa lagi. Nih si Mintara ya. Nanti kita akan coba knock Mintaranya aja. Jadi nanti kalau di F2 di F2 kita bisa main dia daripada kita bunuh gitu. Jadi tadi kemarin kita udah bunuh si Poga ya, Pak atau siapa itu yang priestnya. Kita tinggal bunuh si Mintara sama satu lagi nih nanti di sini. Nah, tapi Mintaranya nanti kita knock aja biar kita bisa mainin di F2 gitu. Kita coba selamatin si Halsin. Masih belum bisa diambil, oke. Ini langsung aja ya, nggak perlu banyak basa-basi ya. Kita langsung tembak-tembakin aja.
Waiting with bated breath. How delicious.
Nah,
Time for bitter business the light would fear to shine on.
ini kenapa nggak masuk ke ini ya?
Being arrested for assault.
Oke, surprise. Nice. Dia kena ban sama surprise ya. Oke, satu mati.
Ready. Wow. Mungkin jadi Star Archer ya. Tadi lupa pas perang. Time to strike.
Nah, Star bisa lah ini.
Into the bloody fray.
Can't give up. I will ascend.
Goodbye.
Taking position.
Ini ada tukang daging. Oke, pas.
Taking position.
Ini easy sih.
End this.
Surprise. Hasilnya keluar. Nimpa dia. Goodbye, my little child. Hilang.
What path lies before me?
Kita kata-katain dia dari jauh. Woi,
I'm ready. Have to keep going.
This feels good.
nice.
This way.
Time to strike. Taking
Nah,
position.
ini nggak bisa dilempar jadi tembaknya pakai ini. Nor. Coba keluar, tapi gagal karena apa? Darah pintunya gede, darah pintu nggak tuh?
One day I'll catch a break.
Woi, keluar woi. Mati dia. Kandangnya belum keluar.
Pardon the viscera. One should cherish all of nature's bounty, but goblin guts are quite far down the list. You aided a bear without knowing if it would savage you. A true friend of nature. Or perhaps a lunatic. Either way, I owe thanks. I am the druid Halsin.
Kata ko
I
bilang
must admit, I didn't expect anyone would come to my aid. Who in their right mind would infiltrate a goblin-infested temple? Unless... that look in your eyes. I've seen it before. Are you feeling all right?
enggak. Banyak masalah ya kita. Gila, CT scan, CT scan.
Oak Father preserve you, child. You're infected, aren't you? The Mind Flayer's
Ini
spawn.
baru dokter, anjay.
But something's different. You're aware of the monster inside you. You don't bow to the Absolute like the true souls do. How is this possible?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
It's no coincidence that you found me here, I'll wager. You're after a cure for this parasite.
Yep.
I've been studying these parasites for a while now. Ever since I discovered these so-called true souls are infected with them. Someone is using very powerful magic to modify these tadpoles. They're using them to exert control over the infected. I'm sorry to say, I can't undo that magic, which means I can't cure you. But that doesn't mean I can't help.
Cewek.
I didn't find what I came here for, a way to remove the tadpoles. But I found the next best thing. I found out where they come from. That must be where these enchantments are placed on them. And it's where you'll find your cure. I overheard that the cultists are sending all of their captives to Moonrise Towers.
Ya, kita akan ke Moonrise Towers.
Innocents go in, true souls come out. Given that all of these true souls are infected, it has to be the source for this magic. If you want to find a cure, you must head there and discover how the tadpoles are being manipulated. I wish I could, but there's still work I've yet to finish. Blood I've yet to spill. I've no right to ask more of you, but if you could help me, I'd be free to join your journey to Moonrise. I cannot allow these butchers to threaten my grove. The natural order must be protected. My thanks.
Okay.
If you prevail, I'll owe you the debt of a lifetime. Rare is the beast that survives decapitation. Help me eliminate the Drow Minthara, the Hobgoblin Drow Ragslin, and that perversion of a priestess, Gut.
Gutnya udah ya.
They are the ones holding these parasites together. Remove them, and nature will cure itself.
Oke.
There is no safety. Not while this rot festers. Once it is cut out, once the grove is secure,
Then I shall.
Then I shall leave.
Oke,
May
tunggu sini aja ya.
Sylvanas guide your hand.
Takutnya dia mati guys.
Focus on the leaders. That's all it will take to restore the balance here.
Siap. Dapat PR kita. Disuruh bunuh ini tadi ya, Mintara. Siapa tadi? Hobgoblin ya. Di sini ada banyak makanan. Daging-daging.
What's hiding here? What's inside?
Kalau nggak apa ini? Sendok.
More for me.
Nggak usah diambil dagingnya. Ya daging orang itu kayak. Ya walaupun saya dark art sih sebenarnya. Tapi ya udah nggak apa-apa. Banyak makanan juga. Ada barrel-barrel. Udah waktunya
Better not be
membunuh
cursed.
Mentar. Nah, karena kita di dalam ruangan tadi kita jadi yang goblin di luar jadi nggak tahu kita udah nyelamatin si Halsin yang mereka ini. Ini kita coba bunuh knock Mentaranya dulu kali ya. Permisi. Ini pintunya ditutup dulu nih. Takut kenapa-napa saya, Pak. Ini nih. Si siapa namanya? Dror Rasglin ya. Si ini juga ngeselin nih.
A scrying eye. Let's not do anything suspicious while it's watching.
Kita better diikuti, nanti kita bisa turun buang dia ke jurang.
I didn't mean nothing by it, your ladyship. Honest,
Mistress! It's me, your loyal servant, Sazza. I'm back, and I brought a friend.
How thoughtful. And where did you find this friend?
They was in some rickety druid grove, mostly full of tieflings, but them intruders you're after were hiding out there.
I presume you dealt with my prey and massacred the rest.
Well, the thing about that is, they sort of massacred us. But this mug helped me to escape. I say we stick a few holes in him. Show how grateful we are.
You feel a cold hand caress your mind as the drow appraises you.
Oh dear. Your prisoner is one of the Absolute's favorites, Sazza. A true soul.
Nah, a can't be. They was in the grove, hanging around with the tieflings.
Undercover, no doubt. Carrying out the Absolute's will. Oh, Sazza, you have made a grave error. And it will be your last. My spiders are hungry, little one. But before they feast, tell me where that grove is. And I may yet spare your life.
It's past the bridge, to the east. Big old gate covered in ivy. Don't hurt me, mistress, please.
I will not hurt you. My spiders will have that pleasure.
No, I mucked up, I'm sorry. But I didn't know who they was. They didn't tell me nothing.
Aduh, selamatin nggak ya? Kalau sebenarnya kalian kalau selamatin dia akan ada achievement, tapi gue udah dapet jadi, nah ya udahlah, kita selamatin aja.
I told ya, I was trying to follow.
Silence.
I won't cause any more trouble.
Through sheer luck, that pathetic worm has brought me the information I need. And it seems that the inhabitants of the grove trust you. We can use that against them. You have a part to play in this slaughter. Return to the grove. When my raiding party approaches, throw open the gate and signal me.
The fate of the grove's inhabitants hangs in the
Kita
balance.
disuruh
Killing the drow here would
mengkhianati
spare them,
grove yang
but
tadi.
it might be better to face her warband at the grove itself, on familiar ground. On the other hand, Participating in the slaughter as she asks may be the perfect way to earn her trust and access to the cult's
Kita
inner circle.
pura-pura agree aja.
Good. Marshalling, once we are in position, we will gather the reins.
Nah, ini kita turn base. Kita nyalain pasif biar dia nggak mati ya. Nah, terus kita serang dia. Kita knock. Gitu, guys. Langsung aja kali. Seperti itu, guys. Nah, jadi kita for now musuhnya cuma ada 4, ya kan. Ini nanti saja juga kita knock. Ya, di sini 1 sama nanti ada yang patroli kayak bakal masuk nih. Gitu. Yang bete sih ini sih, Scrying Eye kalau nggak dibunuh duluan nanti dia akan manggil yang lain. Masalahnya dia tuh ada ethereal form reduce by 8 dan kayak immunity gitu deh, resistance-nya banyak jadi susah dibunuh. Nah, di sinilah kenapa ada jurang. Kalau ada karakter strength kalian bisa angkat terus buang seperti itu, guys. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, anjay. Yang ini kita bunuhnya nggak apa-apa. Oke, 1 mati.
Go for the throat.
5-1 harusnya udah mati sih dia. Biar gak kena gigit saja ya. Salah.
Nothing will stand in my way.
Disarm. Weaponnya drop. Oke, jadi dia udah ngopi senjata. Aduh, apa tuh? Asset file. Dia nge-heal. Fall of enmity, oke. Gak kena. Sama ada drum sih di sini ya. Cuma tadi kita udah bunuh dia, jadi dia nggak ada yang nyalain drumnya nih. Gitu. Hello, my friend. Kena. Masalah si Shadowheart di awal-awal ini begini ya. Suka miss mulu aja. Oke.
Let's have a little fun.
Mungkin kita bantu demekin dia dulu kali ya. Salah. Nggak bisa ding. Ya udahlah. Harusnya sih nggak mati ya. Saya tos dulu. 2 juta. Terus kita booming blade kan. Harusnya sih nggak mati. Dikit lagi ya. Bisa sih pakai laser. Ow. Yo, what's up, bro? Pasifnya nyala kan, tapi dia ada and deals additional gain 5 dia masuk the next time you do the next and you deal additional. Gue ngeri nih karena ada ininya. Adalah apa 1 tahun lagi biarkan dia hidup. Iya jir, takut dia tewas gara-gara petirnya itu. Ini lagi dia. Dia juga nge-heal doang kerjaan. Ya, misalnya terus, nggak apa-apa. Bisa lalu kenok dia. Gitarnya mati. Ya udahlah ya. Sakit ya ternyata dia ya. Sayang banget. Ya udahlah.
Blood comes easy these days.
Gak apa-apa ya guys ya. Sayang banget tapi ya ampun. Ini kita nggak bisa mainin Mintaranya. Bisa di revive gak ya? Penasaran.
Have to keep going.
Bisa saya dulu. Nggak kena. Good. Kayaknya nggak bisa deh kalau belum jadi allies. Aduh, ternyata saya underestimate si siapa namanya? Astarion damage ya.
Yes.
Mati juga nggak dia?
More's the pity. My blood had just started to boil.
Mati juga. Ya sudah lah.
On my way.
Coba. Ya siapa tau bisa kan? Coba-coba aja dulu. Mana tadi potion buat ini? Gak bisa. Sayang banget ya udahlah.
Just check for anything useful.
Sepertinya di gameplay kita kali ini tidak bisa pakai Mintara ya guys. Saya juga mati. Ya sudah lah. Apa mau dikata? There's nothing we can do about it.
Never a dull moment.
Terlalu underestimate damage si Astarion. Ini kali ya. Buat ngambil ability drain.
Pave my path with corpses, build my castle
Sayang
with
sekali.
bones. That will fit in my pack.
I'll tell you.
It gave me another gift, too. Just like it did the first time it appeared. And while we're at it, we can see how many more of these... Now, was there anything else?
Kita bunuh di sini dulu. Karena nggak ada yang lihat ini.
They're drow. They're stuck up.
Mintaranya mati dong.
Ignore 'em and be happy they didn't throw you to the spiders yet.
Ada berapa sih? 3 ya. Itulah, langsung bunuh aja lah ya. Tanpa basa-basi.
Was seen killing someone. Best
Masih nyala.
Still on my feet.
Need to stay focused.
Oke, satu mati.
No time to waste.
Dua mati. Dan 3 mati.
Another step forward.
Indolence breeds madness. Repositioning.
Kita udah bunuh 2 ya, tinggal bunuh si yang di tengah doang. Sama yang di luar sih nanti. Sebenarnya kalian bisa nanti main Mintara kalau tadi dibilang ya. Kalau dia dikenok, cuma tadi Astarionnya terlalu OP aja ya. Jadi sudah lah. Nggak apa-apa ya guys ya. Ini kita selamatin dia, satu-satunya goblin yang nggak kecuci otaknya.
There are traps about.
Disarming traps requires skill and finesse. Getting the attention of this guard required neither.
Sorry. Salah, harusnya bunuh mereka dulu ya.
They believe you.
Oke. Biar nggak ketahuan, kita
All's well that ends.
gini dulu
Not
kali.
as bad as it could have.
Trust no one. Radio or not. Very, very quiet. On the hunt.
Oke, satu mati.
Let's spill some blood.
2 mati.
Time to push my luck again.
Tiga mati. Oke, datang 2 lagi.
Swift and lethal. On the move.
Where do I go from here?
Victory awaits. Taking position.
Nggak mati dia.
Never a dull moment.
Need to act fast. Have to keep going.
Lari, lari, lari. Biarin sini aja yang bunuh.
Don't touch me. Tread carefully.
Bebaskan dia.
Let's crack it open.
Where am I? What's going on? Thanks for...
Ya, sama-sama, bye. Ini siapa nih? Tikus, ya ampun.
Best be on my way.
Oke, terakhir kita bisa bunuh yang ini. Ini better sneak aja ya. Gue juga mau naikin Astarionnya ke atas.
Staying out of sight. The mission has to come first.
Keep your blade close. Not a sound.
Jadi Astarionnya mulai dari atas saja. Bunuh si Drognya dulu, karena dia PR banget sih.
Shall we dance?
Sakit sih critical hit-nya.
We'll do it my way.
Surprise semua kan ya?
Another step forward.
Kita bunuh yang ini dulu mas bro. Weapon and drop.
Let's finish this. Moving.
Mati 3. Oke. Bunuh yang ini kali ya. Deket sama drum soal. Oke, tinggal 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oke. Dan masih surprise.
No time to waste.
3. 2. Surprise. Deng, dia di luar. 1 kelihatan. Oke. Nggak apa, nambah 1 doang. Chill ya, chill. Kita bisa hit dia. Rating level 15 anjay. 2. Ini kita hina-hina aja.
Keep fighting. I am
Nih ya,
furious.
cukup
I am
Azel aja sih.
death. In my best interest.
Goodbye.
Another parasite. Collect it. It might be useful.
Main. Kita dapat buat buff lagi.
Assume nothing.
Jangan lupa dilut-lutin ya. Ya, walaupun kita udah nggak perlu uang sebenarnya.
Proceeding.
Easy. Nanti kita tinggal bantai yang di luar sama yang di daerah sini depan, sama yang di luar. Yang di luar kita akan pakai trompet. Gitu tar. Ini kayaknya bagus deh. Ini pakai bajunya Mintara. Sama sepatunya juga boleh.
Just so.
Dapat kunci. Ngelut. Ini lumayan. Mana tadi? Tangannya boleh lah. Untuk sekarang dipakai. When you cast a spell that requires concentration, you gain momentum for 1 turn. When you're concentrating, you can get knocked prone or be moved against your will. Kayaknya ini cocok sama Shadow Hearts itu nanti ya. Kalau gue udah dapat spot yang lebih bagus buat si Riel. Kita sneak aja. Karena harusnya semuanya udah pada hostile sih. Kayak yang ini nih. Iya. jalan lagi dia.
I can't
Bangke.
waste any more time. What's hiding here? Never wanted the easy path.
Oke, kita akan membantai Goblin Camp. Nah, sini udah hitungannya udah kebantai sih. Semua leadernya udah mati, tinggal bunuh coro-coronya doang.
With a flick of the wrist.
Aduh hai, Astarionnya ketahuan dari di depan ya. Shadow card ketahuan ya. Harusnya nggak gue gebuk sih, karena dia ada Armor of Agathis. Ini kena damage deh. Ya sudahlah.
Ready for anything. I shouldn't linger. The right decision.
Let's turn someone inside out.
Bye.
Let's move. Ready or not?
Easy lah ini harusnya. Shadow Heart-nya belum jalan ya.
Got to move. Victory awaits. Found and taken. In my best interest.
Still breathing, despite everything. That should work.
Goodbye, Spike. Yang keras, yang menang doang. Ini yang nangkap si Follow tadi ya.
Move them.
Oke.
Leave no trace.
Hello. It's me.
Time to strike.
Jauh banget yang ini nih. Bisa dilempar ya? Oh bisa. Aneh. Oke, sisa 4.
They're dying for me. All of them.
Sisa 3. Misi kita berapa sih? 17, 19, 20.
Let's go.
Satu.
Let's find some prey.
No choice but to keep going.
Kelar.
Very well.
Keberatan deh. Dia cabut deh. Makasih lo buff ya, Mas Bro.
On my way.
Dia keep chilling ya cabutnya. Kayak santai aja.
Just want a little look.
What is it? The subtle approach.
Swift as my feet can carry me.
Nggak nyampe.
Onward.
Dia kelar.
Not one false move. My path be true.
Nggak nyampe, Mas Bro. Terhalang sesuatu.
Hungry for the slaughter.
Ouch.
Moving.
My faith will protect me.
Nggak kena. Shadowheart ini mengecewakan di awal-awal. Tak main-main nih, kita lempar-lempar nih.
Can't even catch my breath. Let's get this over with.
Goodbye.
Listen here. Your body is a temple.
Atau turun terus.
Of God.
zone.
Onward. Let's have a look.
Easy ya. Kita udah ngebantai semua goblin di atas, di dalam, sorry. Ini tinggal bunuh yang di luar aja. Gitu. Tapi saran gue jangan lewat sini karena ketika kalian keluar lewat sini itu akan hostile semua. Ya better lewat ke tempat yang tadi yang kemarin kita nyelamatin orang itu. Ya kalau kalian mau ya kalian juga bisa bunuh-bunuh tikus-tikus di sini. Lumayan XP-nya 1 ya. Ini mungkin heal pakai potion aja kali ya.
Oh, enough waiting. I crave blood.
Lebih murah. Maksudnya
Watch your back.
My faith protects me.
daripada pakai spell atau pakai
Keep it together.
short rest. Agak sempit ya tempatnya.
Someone there?
Oke.
All is ash and meat. Time to
Sudah.
press ahead.
Ini tempat yang kita dapat shield, si ini glowing shield ya.
Can't risk being in open view. Should mind my step.
Ini backpack siapa? Nah, itu udah pada hostile,
Better of them.
merah semua ya guys.
Practically unconscious.
Tapi yang di atas ini mereka mabok jadi nggak bisa denger kita kalau kita sneak.
Softer than a whisper.
Jadi kalau keberatan. Ini kalau kalian mau bunuh mereka dulu, pakai yang damage-nya sakit, lompatnya jangan ke daerah sini. Nanti dia akan denger. Jadi daerah sini. Satu ya guys. Harusnya yang STR kecil pun cukup sih, bisa lompat ke sini.
My faith protects me. I see a way.
Biar lebih gampang, better kita bunuh yang mobok-mobok dulu. Kayaknya paling gede damage-nya si ini deh. Aduh, nggak cukup. Oke, fuck me.
Talk to me.
Gimana coba ini manggilnya? Nah, kita pakai peluitnya itu karena kita selain ya sebenarnya gak butuh bantuan sih kalau lawan goblin doang, cuma biar kita bisa dapetin apa trinket intelligence gitu lumayan. Nah, semoga dia nggak spawn di atas sih. Mana ya spawnnya? Mana ya? Masa harus ke tempat yang lebih ini? Nyangkut. Gila, gue udah bunyi ini 3 kali. Mana orangnya, woi? Scam kah ini? Aduh, di atas lagi.
Believe it, brother.
Another fight.
Ya ini mah nggak bisa kemana-mana nggak sih? Ya sudah lah ya.
Blood follows me everywhere.
Pembantaian.
Time to kill.
Harus tadi turun lagi ke bawah.
No time to waste. No time to waste.
Aduh, hai. Ya udah lah. Saya bisa bunuh yang itu doang. Miss lagi, aduh, hai. Gila. Nggak apa. Kita nggak butuh mereka ini, woi. Iya, nyangkut mereka. Aduh, hai. Gak apa ya. Bisa. Kita pasti bisa. Akan terus berusaha. Oke, mati satu. Oke, better gue turun deh.
On my way.
I miss this. Keep them guessing.
Udah naik ya.
No time to waste.
Kekurung bertiga anjay. Oh, gila serem sih ini. Ini lama-lama kebunuh juga nih. Aduh hai.
You picked the wrong fight, friend.
Look here, pus-sucking maggot!
There's blood in the air. Don't linger.
Cacat sih dia kalau nggak ini. Cuma jadi tempat tinju doang, samsak.
In my best interest. Make way.
Cuma bisa mukulin Dogi. Salah tadi. Gila, Shadowheart. Ini ceritanya Shadowheart melawan dunia ya.
The dance
Bantuin si Shadowheart dulu.
Step quick.
Salah pencet.
Come on, can't stay idle.
You listening? Shut up and turn into a sound fart.
Can't afford to let up.
Yeah.
Got to press on.
Kasihan loh dia. Featherfall.
See me.
Make way. Taking position.
mati ya itu Shadowheart ya.
Can't slow down.
What should I do?
Salah.
In my best interest.
Ya, at least dia bisa membantu dengan ininya ya. Perbatu kek, apa kek? Ngomong aja. Jadi lama ya, maaf ya guys. Ya, habis ini kita selesaikan saja.
A beautiful death.
Aduh, entangled pula kan. Nggak nyampe.
Look here! Death!
Concentrate.
With finesse.
Turun lagi dia. Oh, enggak, dia ngebully yang ini. Wah, gila, berani banget.
In my best interest.
Oke, main problemnya udah mati. Gila, dia salah sih dia turun ke sana. Aduh, hai. Goodbye.
I'm talking!
kita mau ngincer ininya.
Yes, here.
Make way.
It's Alibi.
No time to waste.
Apaan nih? Gak terima gue. Aduh, hampir mati ya.
Try me.
Dead.
Boy, a glass-bottomed coward!
Can't give up.
Ini membantu sih, karena udah pada habis, tapi
Into the shadows.
Swift and lethal. Taking position.
bacok. Aduh hai. Wah, dia bisa jalan dari tadi. What? Kirain nyangkut. Wah, curang ya. Itu tidak diinformasikan dengan benar.
Talk to me. Damn you.
Irradiating orb.
And run.
Time to strike. Taking position.
Goodbye, lam.
On the move.
Ayo. Bau lek.
I'm ready. A better position.
Mau duel. Ayo.
Healing.
Goodbye. Ini doang sih yang gue butuhin sebenarnya.
No traps, please.
Gitu guys, cara ngebantai Goblin Camp. Ya, konyol sih tapi harusnya bisa lebih rapih ya. Ini kalau udah OP sih nggak perlu rapi-rapi banget, nggak apa-apa sih sebenarnya. Anjay. Berat.
Not now. Let's be quick. What's this?
Tututin dulu ya. Aku sebenarnya nggak terlalu butuh uang. Just in case sama harusnya
next?
ada si
Onward in her name. Let's see
Albert.
what's to be said.
Yo, Albert.
Mother gone.
Ayo, ke
New
camp aja.
home.
He runs away.
See you in the camp.
Poor pet. Hopefully it doesn't wreck the camp when it gets there. Better take
Ada
that.
ayam. Nah, ini inspo-nya lagi full ya. Kalau kalian butuh inspo juga Dark Earth, kalian bisa makan dwarf meat-nya gitu. Ya sama salsa spaghetti.
I'll feel that one later.
Babi-babi. Nah, ini ada beberapa daging sih sebenarnya yang bisa bawa kayaknya. Yang bisa makan cuma Dark Earth doang sih. Jadi better kasih ke main karakter gue, suruh dia bawa.
Can't give up now. Wish I had a bag of holding.
Dwarf, kaki dwarf, perut dwarf, tusuk dwarf, kaki dwarf lagi.
These boots have seen everything.
Perut tusuk. Ini buat nge-heal kalau lo main Dark Earth. Kita makan orang ceritanya. Oke.
Eager for battle.
Simple ya guys. Walaupun agak lama ya, sejam lebih. Ini karena ya there's some mistakes along the way. Tapi kita ya selesai Goblin Camp
Without delay.
gitu. Nah harusnya nanti kalau kalian udah kelar, kalian bisa ke tempat Halsin atau ke tempat Halsin itu udah nggak ada di camp. Dia udah pindah ke Emerald Grove nih di sini. Gitu. Nah semuanya ini nanti juga akan hilang karena misi di X1 ini adalah utamanya adalah si Goblin Camp ini mau nyerbu ke Emerald Grove. Cuma karena kita udah ngebantai Goblin ya sama leader-leadernya, jadi mereka nggak ada yang kesana lagi gitu. Jadi mereka akan bisa langsung ke Act 2 pindah gitu guys. Tapi kita masih banyak misi nih di X1. Ada di tempat Lazel nanti, ada yang Underdark di Gymforce juga belum kelar gitu. Tapi di episode kali ini mungkin di situ aja kali ya karena udah 1,5 jam. Thank you guys. Ini bentar lagi kita juga udah masih setengah sih. Nanti tapi kalau di Underdark Gymforce harusnya kita udah sampai ke level 6 dan harusnya Astarion kita udah bisa dapet si Arcane Archer karena dari tadi dia cukup banget nih. Nggak terlalu berguna ya. Gitu guys. Oke, sampai situ aja episode kali ini. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye.